Hello everyone, just a little update on the lager or the lager 2B. What not to do when brewing a lager is rush your day, run about trying to find yeast.
Get very drunk on Timothy Taylor Landlord Clone. Get
drunk on your own brew, not use enough yeast and just believe that one package would be enough. It said on the Mangrove Jacks it would be, but I knew as soon as we did it, it wouldn't be. You can't escape off flavours in lager, and
this has got a lot.
Try and say it. Acetaldehyde.
I mean, I'm not even going to put just apple. Smells of apples.
Acetaldehyde. But all we can smell is apples in it. Yeah. And unfortunately, with that, we cannot get it out the drink. I did get hints of it, but I thought maybe, you know, maybe it might clear, or maybe I could have restarted fermentation. But I think it's just better to just count as losses.
It actually turned out a pretty nice colour.
Lovely colour.
It's a bit cloudy because Fenton's just bought it in his car.
I brought it in the car, so I mixed all the yeast back into suspension, giving us a cloudy drink, really. Yeah. Literally, from the smell, there is nothing.
I'm not even going to drink it.
It's not hints of apple. It is just pure apple. It is awful.
It's absolutely terrible.
It's like it's ripe. Oh, it's disgusting.
It smells more like cider than it does.
And it don't matter how long we clear it out for. It'll always be present, and there's a lot of it. So I can't remember what yeast we used. It was a Mangrove Jacks.
Bavarian lager yeast.
Bavarian lager yeast. I thought the steps that we did during the fermentation were right, but I don't think one pack was ever going to be enough.
No. We'd initially gone for Hoppy Pills by WHC.
But we also only had one pack of that.
We only had one pack of that.
So then we rushed to the Homebrew store, grabbed a pack, and it said, use one pack for 23 litres. No.
I mean, it might not just be the yeast. We might have gone somewhere wrong, but I think it potentially
if it would have been, it'd have been during the fermentation step, and all the steps that we took were as of right of a lager. I mean, if anything, it can, you know, it primaried for 2.5 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
But once the yeast is unhappy and kicks off them flavours, unless you restart fermentation and then that yeast then manages to suck out the flavour, but then you've also got a chance that it won't do. Your beer is not going to be the same as the original. It's going to have a different profile. We just got to count as losses, really. But got to try it.
I've already tried it, but I'll give it for the camera. I'll do it another.
I mean, on try it's not that bad.
Initially, tastes like lager, doesn't it?
Yeah,
and then,
initially.
And then about 4 or 5 seconds in, you just get this twang at the back of your throat.
And then that is all you can taste.
It literally just made my neck twinge.
Yeah, so, unfortunately, it's going to be a kicker.
Yeah, it's going straight down the toilet.
Straight down the toilet, but we will be rebrewing another lager. We will have a lager ready for summer. I don't know what we're going to do with this one. Are we Kvike?
Yeah, I've got Novalager.
Novalager yeast.
With 2 packs.
2 packs.
With the new...
maybe even a starter for them 2 packs.
Yeah, we ordered them. They've come today. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video. We're building up our back catalogue of videos, but next week we'll be brewing the lager again and trying Novalager. So if any of you have used Novalager and you think 2 packs is maybe enough, or what temperatures did you ferment at, etc., then just let us know down below, because we haven't used it ourselves personally, so we don't know what it's going to turn out like. And if you're a person that brews a lot of lager, then just let us know your tips and how you get along with it and how you make your lagers good.
As long as it doesn't turn out like this, we'll be alright.
I think we got very excited when doing this brew as well, because it was our first brew together at your house.
I wouldn't mind it, but that's the only brew we've done at mine so far. It's turned out like this. Naff.
We had Timothy Taylor Landlord Clone. We needed to finish that keg off, so we'd had a fair few. We had kebabs and pizza, didn't we?
Yeah, so, we were half blathered for half a day and eating loads of brewed, and
Yeah, I mean, you can see video here
yeah,
if you want to watch it.
just
It was a good laugh.
they were a good laugh.
But this is the thing with home brewing. You're always going to get. We've been on a good run. This is our first beer that we're actually throwing together. So I've thrown one before. I threw my Christmas beer, which I did very early days of this channel.
Count your losses.
Count your losses, yeah.
Don't sit on a beer and go, it's not how I want it, and I'm just going to drink it anyway, because it'll just make you fucking sad about your beer. It's crap, so we're chucking it. That's it. We won't strive for anything less than decent.
Decent, yeah.
I think that's like 6 out of 10 and up.
Yeah.
Out above that's gone.
Yeah, that's a 1.25 out of 10.
yeah. You just get I've never had such a strong taste of acetaldehyde.
Yeah.
Like that in my life, so
No, not.
We'll do a video of us chucking it, I guess.
Well, as you've seen, we've just thrown the beer. That's the end of that one. We've got some more keg space now. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. We are striving to do our last to glass, as we're calling it. Videos are going to be every 2 weeks, but they're going to be full grain to glass videos. We're going to
have to get caught up and stuff.
So just give us a bit of time, and we'll get our schedule right. There might be more videos than every 2 weeks, depending on what videos we have to show, but that's the plan at the moment. We did put a poll out, and it was a landslide.
Yeah, cool.
Right.
See you guys.